Hey folks, this is the only video that talks about polar coordinates. So let's take a look. First of all, rectangular coordinates. These are our old junior high coordinates that are always written as XYs. We now know by this point that anything polar is going to be dealing with R's and thetas. So polar coordinates are going to be exactly that. The R comes first and the theta comes second. Now we have some options for notation. We could have an R that is greater than 0 or an R that's less than 0. And so by now, hopefully you understand that the English version of greater than 0 simply means that it's going to be positive. And so here we're talking about a positive R in English. Or secondly, if R is less than 0, this is going to be a negative R in English. So that's the first option. My R could be pos or neg. The second option is dealing with my theta. Notice that my theta could be between 0 and 360. So for your embedded question, tell me how would I write that exact same set of numbers if I were working in radians? The second option is that I could be working from negative 360 to 0 degrees. And so the second part of your embedded question is to tell me how would I write that same set of numbers if I were working in radians. And then lastly, for your embedded question, tell me, what does this mean in English? So for option number 1, I used English for your R's. I'd like for you to use English for your thetas in option number 2.